Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled banana peppers step by step. Pack sterilized jars with sliced banana peppers, garlic cloves, and optional herbs. Bring vinegar, water, salt, and sugar to a simmer. Pour hot brine over peppers, seal jars, and cool. Store in refrigerator for at least 24 hours before tasting for best flavor. Keep everything clean and use gloves if peppers are spicy safely. I like a balanced brine for crisp, tangy banana peppers. Combine 1 cup vinegar to 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar, then adjust to taste. Heat the mixture until salt and sugar dissolve, cool slightly before pouring, and remove any foam. For crunch, briefly blanch peppers in boiling water for 30 seconds and immediately chill in ice water. This preserves color and texture while ensuring food safety and flavor. Quick recommendation: if you like sipping while prepping, consider the Owala water bottle seen here. It keeps drinks cold or hot and fits easily on counters. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more recipes you enjoy. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Grab one for your kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Customize flavors by adding garlic, dill, oregano, peppercorns, or red pepper flakes. Start with 1 clove or 1 teaspoon and increase based on preference. Use clean, airtight jars and label with date. Refrigerated pickles stay fresh for 2 to 3 weeks, while properly processed canned jars can last months. Always inspect for off smells or mold before eating, and when in doubt, discard the jar to avoid illness for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.